అబ్బో ఇక్కడ కేజీ చీరలు కొంటే అర కేజీ చీరలు ఫ్రీ అంట.
మంగళ్య షాపింగ్ మాల్ కేజీల్లో సేల్, టన్నుల్లో ఆనందం.
ఫస్ట్ ఫిల్మ్ చేసుకోవడం అండ్ మీ అందరూ సినిమా బాగా సీవ్ చేసుకున్నారు. And then I became an actor. And it's been 38 years of my film career till మొన్న సంక్రాంతికి వస్తున్నాం. I thank you all for encouraging me, giving all your love and encouragement. Thank you so much. Yeah, guy, what's happening, man? I have what? I always had the privilege of telling stories, cinema, stories that reflect our values, our emotions, and way of life. And these stories, you enjoy films where it had a lot of laughter and family bonds. Films like Swarna Kamalam, Seema Vakitlo, Sirimallettu. Yeah, you love Mahesh Babu, right? Yeah, right. Kalisundam Ra. There were so many films which had so many nice emotions. I'm really glad I did all those films. But today, I'm not here as an actor. నేను మీలాగా ఒకలాగా ఈ సంబరాల్లో పాల్గొనాలని సరదా ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాను. అండ్ ఐమ్ ఎంజాయింగ్ ఇట్. దాంతో my friend Taman came up with this Venki 11 cricket team, and he played some wonderful cricket here. And I'm so happy all of you came and watched the matches. I'd like to thank my fellow team members who are great and playing these cricket matches. Actually, ఏంటమ్మా అలా వస్తున్నావు, ఏంటి చెప్పు. Tampa Venki Mama. Thank you so much. Actually, Nats events organization that చూస్తుంటే మన customs traditions అందరూ బాగా వచ్చేసినట్టు అమెరికాకి. You know, it's so wonderful that Nats have organized this wonderful event. Sing and Ganesh. పెళ్ళిగా ప్రెస్ అయిపోయింది. I've actually always believed in the power of positivity and patience. And in my career, patience do it right. And if we all come together and believe in yourself, you're going to be successful. The other day, actually, I met a couple of young students and some family members. They look fine, but something was missing. Some of them were very anxious. Some of them looked a little frustrated. Some of them were expecting too much in life. So, from my experience, I would like to say that we all have to be patient in life. Patience is a quality we all have to have. Nothing is going to come your way very fast. Good things come, but God has got another plan. He will give it to you at the right time, and you all have to be a little patient. Because by not being patient, you're going to be with a lot of stress, a lot of frustration, and you're not going to live present moment. You're always in the future. You're not living this moment. And I think it's very, very important for all of us to have the skill of being patient. Because you have to have the trust in this universe that He's going to give you some wonderful things. You have to manifest things like that. You have to trust Him. And I can tell you, all of you have such wonderful energy that you're going to get the best things in life. You all deserve it. I mean, all of you have come all the way from India. We have to really appreciate the families. You've raised families. You've contributed so much to this nation. Actually, you are true ambassadors of our culture, all of you. It's not easy for all of you to come here and settle down. And so I really, a big, I have to say namaskaram to all of you. I mean, you guys are doing wonderful here. So I wish you all only good things in life. And this is a wonderful platform. You guys have done a wonderful job, Prashant and Sheila and the whole team. All right, yeah. And I think I've spoken a little too much, okay? And before I leave, actually, for quite some time, you've been using, when you're a little stressful and frustrated, the Venki Asana, right, in F2. Yeah, that's been going on for some time. But now, too, there's another nice gesture. You know, when you're feeling a little down, you know, go to your close, your near, dear ones, పక్కకి వెళ్ళి కొరికేస్తా అని చెప్పేసి వాళ్ళకి. I think in this, you've seen that thing in Sankranti Vasnam. Yes? All right. So you guys have a wonderful time, and I'll be seeing you guys with a couple of new films. I'm doing a nice film, Trikram, and I'm doing that's beautiful. Then I'm doing a cameo with Chiranjeevi. Yeah, and that's going to be a fun one, right? Yeah, then I've got Drishyam again with Meena, and then again Sankranti Vasnam with Anil, and the biggest one will be with my friend Maya. We always thought he will do all the biggest in the Telugu film industry. Okay, thank you all for coming. I love you all. Take care. And I want to see you guys having a lot of energy, all right? Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Nats. Oh, I forgot to sing thanks to Nivas. Yeah, thank you.
I'll make it very quick. వెంకటేష్ గారు జూన్ 2 యుఎస్లో ఉన్నారు. ఆయన కొద్దిగా అన్ని కూడా చాలా లైన్ ఉంది. కేవలం ట్యాంప్ తెలుగు వాళ్ళ కోసం, నాట్స్ కోసం హీ సాక్రిఫైస్డ్ హిస్ టైం అండ్ టేక్ సర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ us. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you so much, Venkatesh garu. We love you and looking forward to seeing you in many more characters. ఆయన చెప్పినట్టుగానే కొరికేస్తాను మిమ్మల్ని. Okay, so felicitation to Anvita Group. Anvita Group అచ్యుతరావు గారిని వేదికకి రావాల్సిన రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము.